Welcome to this guided meditation with a focus on embracing the present moment. To begin, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Now bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your abdomen rise, and exhale slowly through your mouth, noticing your abdomen fall. With each breath, draw in calmness and clarity, and with each exhale, release any stress or distractions. Continuing this mindful breathing, take a deep breath in, and a full exhale out your mouth, allowing yourself to become fully present in this moment. Now, imagine a warm golden light hovering just above your head. This light embodies peace, relaxation, and healing energy. Beginning with your head and your face. As you inhale, visualize a golden light entering through the crown of your head, gently illuminating your mind, and feel it soothing your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, while releasing any tension. Take a deep inhale in, and slowly exhale, allowing the warmth to melt away any stress. Now we'll move to your neck and your shoulders. With your next breath, gently guide the light down into your neck and into your shoulders. Sense it easing tightness and dissolving any burdens that you're carrying. Take a deep inhale in, and as you exhale, feel your shoulders drop and relax. Now we'll move into your arms and hands. Inhale as the golden light flows down both of your arms, reaching your hands and your fingertips. And as you exhale, experience a gentle warmth, loosening any tension. Another deep inhale. And on your exhale, release any heaviness, feeling your arms and hands completely at ease. Now we'll move into your chest and upper back. Draw the light into your chest and upper back with your next breath in. Feel it expanding your lungs, bringing comfort into your heart and soothing your upper spine. And exhale, letting go of any tightness or discomfort. Now we'll move into your abdomen and lower back. As you inhale, direct the light into your abdomen and lower spine, sensing it calming your stomach and relaxing the muscles along your lower back. And exhale, releasing any tension held in this area. Now we'll move into your hips and pelvis. Breathe in the golden light into your hips and pelvic region, Feel it bringing warmth and ease to this foundational area. And as you exhale, allow any tightness to dissolve and dissipate. Now we'll move into your legs and feet. With your next inhale, guide the light down through your thighs, knees, calves, and into your feet and toes. And as you exhale, experience soothing sensation as the light relaxes each muscle. Great job. Now, with your entire body bathed in this warm golden light, bring your focus to the present moment. Notice the sensation within your body, the gentle rise and fall of your breath, the heartbeat in your chest, the contact with the surface beneath you. Observe these sensations without judgment. Simply acknowledging their presence. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide your attention back to the golden light and to your breath. Using them as an anchor to remain present. Remember that it is natural for thoughts to arise. The practice is in bringing your focus back to the here and now. Now take a few more deep breaths, savoring the peace and presence that you have cultivated. Slowly bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing awareness back to your body. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes slowly, carrying this sense of presence, awareness, and relaxation with you as you continue the rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me in today's meditation. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.